Hey guys, this is me, Marcus, on the DMR Dark Mountain Rangers. Right now it's just me and my dad, but it's different. I have a airsoft gun and he has a paintball gun, and I'm gonna die. Okay, now look at my loadout gear. I think I look pretty awesome. Alright, helmet, mask, protectors, patches, that, and all that good stuff. Hang on. Yeah. So, I'm just gonna try my best, man. I tried to record it, but I can't really record it because I don't have one of those thingamabobs to record it on your helmet. But I'll try to record my best, because if I get shot at, I'm just running, okay? Thanks for watching this video. I will be uploading more. Thank you, guys.